Yeah. From the streets of Compton to the world stage, this is the evolution. West Coast forever. Let me take you on a ride.
West Coast rap evolution. Hear the sound of the drums from death row to the top. We forever number one. G-funk in the trunk, bass shaking the block. We invented the game, now the world can't stop. Rap evolution. Feel it in the air, from the gangster stories to the $1 million shares. NWA to Kendrick, the legacy is clear. West Coast raised the bar, now bow down, motherfucker. Cheer. It started in the 80s with the police sirens. Straight out of Compton, Ice Cube and the sirens. NWA woke the whole world up with fury. Fuck the police, that was the revolutionary story. Then the G-Funk took over, Dre flipped the script. The Chronic hit different, smooth but hard as a brick. Snoop Dogg on the track with that lazy flow. Doggy Style in 93 took the whole globe. From the streets of Long Beach to the LA Nights, we turned pain into power under city lights. Drive-by anthems, low riders on hydraulics. Funk from the 70s mixed with gangster politics. West Coast rap, 94 to 96, it was absolute domination. Two-pack of ride, pure West Coast elevation. Hit 'em up, California love, the tension was blazing. Biggie on the east, but the west wasn't playing. Dre left death row, still built empires. 2001, still Dre the blueprint got high. Eminem got adopted, 50 Cent got crowned. The game and exhibit kept the West Coast sound. We went from underground to multi-platinum plaques, Cadillacs on dubs, Chronic smoke in the back. But the game evolved, from the trenches to the Grammys, from the corners to the billboards. We lost some soldiers, but the spirit stayed strong. Now the new generation carrying the torch.
Yeah, now Kendrick took it deeper with concept and pain. Good kid and made these cities storytelling, changed the game. Tyler Earl and the Future crew. Anderson Paak bringing that funk through and through. YG and Nipsey kept the streets alive. Victory left forever, the marathon never dies. Even Drake hopped on the West Coast wave for a minute, but the DNA is pure. We the ones who started this shit. From Dre to Cole, from Cube to Kendrick Lamar. The evolution continues, the West Coast is a start.
West Coast rap evolution. Hear the sound of the drums from death row to the top. We forever number one. G-funk in the trunk, bass shaking the block. We invented the game, watch the whole world rap. Rap evolution, this the legacy. From Compton to the world, put the W on your chest, G.
No diggity, no doubt, we run it for life.
West Coast rap evolution to the day we die.
Yeah, the evolution never stops. West Coast, we the blueprint. Dre, Pac, Snoop, Cube, Kendrick. Respect the legacy. One time for the West, motherfucker.